This video I'm talking about the meaning and the benefits of yoga. It's all about the self-discovery journey, the self-mastery journey for you to become the best version of yourself, to be that totally balanced human being, finding ways of how you can heal yourself emotionally and physically, as well as past traumas that you need to release out the body, which could causing health problems. And through yoga, you'll find that it's a body, mind, and soul connection. So yoga is definitely physically, emotionally, and a spiritual healing practice, as well as strengthening the body, strengthening the bones, but so much more. It's all about you stepping into becoming your best version of yourself. The daily actions that you take, the way and how you spend your time benefits you in the long run to have more longevity and vitality. Because I'm always talking about being consciously aware of what you're doing, how you're doing it, and how you are growing every day through self-development and your personal growth. Hi, my name is Tania Sutherland. If you love this kind of content, this is about self-mastery through style identity, through wearing color, understanding the energy, the neuroscience, the psychology of color. It's about you stepping into your personal power, creating the life, the career, being in that self-development, personal growth, that self-empowerment. On Tuesdays, my videos are about fashion and clothing because I do have my other business of 36 years of being a fashion designer, stylist, and a confidence coach. If you love this kind of content, then please don't forget to press the like button and the subscribe button and leave any comments down below. So let's get started. The earliest written record comes from the Vedas, which in the ancient Indian text of Sanskrit, which is about 500 BC old. That describes the psychology of yoga. And yoga is not just the psychology of exercise, it is body, mind, and soul connection, as well as a lifestyle. This ancient practice has been left for us to use to help us to heal ourselves. So yoga definitely is a practice that helps you to connect with your body, your breath, and your mind. With your physical postures, your breathing exercise, as well as meditation to improve your overall health. You can feel the difference when you start doing yoga, and if you stop, you just know psychologically something is missing. Your body actually yearns for it. It is absolutely an amazing practice to bring into your daily life. So yoga was developed as a spiritual practice which connects your inner self to your higher self. So today many Westerners are taking up yoga as a practice for exercise as well as to reduce stress. It helps with osteoporosis, helps to strengthen the muscles, the bones, as well as more flexibility and strength. I'm 57 and I just absolutely love yoga. I feel that I've got so much more energy. I'm a lot more calmer because I meditate as well as with the yoga. It increases respiration, your energy, vitality. The other thing is it creates a deeper self-awareness. It's a self-conscious connection. You're becoming more aware of your body, your thoughts, your stresses, and where you are carrying pain. And it makes you more aware of what you're eating, what you're thinking, because you're becoming more connected with your body, mind, and soul. It helps to maintain a balanced metabolism and keep a healthy gut, especially with some of the postures. It helps to release and detox the lymphatic system from any toxins in the body. With our certain poses and postures, we are even massaging our internal organs. We are loving our organs from the inside. Isn't that just so amazing? It is great for cardio. It is great for your circulation. It also helps for athletics to improve their performance, to prevent injury. It helps for weight reduction. You definitely will lose weight, as well as toning and sculpturing the body. I'll leave the link down below where I talk about the 7 chakras. So with yoga, you are also opening up the chakras. You're working on the 7 points of the chakras, which are energy points flowing through the body, connected to vital organs. Wearing the certain colors of the chakras, you'll find that you are more connected to those certain areas of the body. You're connected emotionally as well as physically, and you are healing those areas or becoming consciously aware of areas that are out of balance or out of alignment. And through yoga practice and the colors and connecting with your chakras, you are becoming definitely more of an overall well-balanced human being. I'll leave the link down below of the outfit that I'm wearing now. I have an entire yoga pattern collection. You can sew yourself in the colors of the chakras or have it made. And if you're an entrepreneur, you can always take the patterns and have them manufactured and actually sell them as an extra income or a sideline business. So it's all about you stepping into your creativity, your confidence, living the life that you want, following the path,